Hi, how you doing? My name is Michael Horner, owner of Springs Clean and Seal, native local company here in Colorado Springs. Over the next few days, we're going to be showing you our process as far as staining, sealing, and stripping a semi-transparent driveway here. A couple of things went wrong. Last May 2012, before this homeowner bought the property, one of the homeowners actually bought the property and stained the driveway himself. Unfortunately, I don't think he was educated in what he was doing. As you can see here with the driveway, we've got a lot of wear and a lot of spider webbing, a lot of fish scaling, and so this is what we're going to be fixing. And then number two, we had the Waldo Canyon fire here this summer, and it came real close to the property, as you can see, and that actually acted like an oven. As you people know, when you put brick or any kind of masonry in an oven, you know, it actually seals it and brings the color out, and this is what we have here. So over the next few days, we're going to be showing you a stripping process, a staining process, and a sealing process. And we're also going to be showing you one of 4 different ways we fix crack repair. As you can see over here, we've got some cracks. Okay, and what we're going to be doing is we're actually going to be vinyl patching this particular driveway. So